The original 3D wooden brain teaser puzzle from the Sharp Brain Zone store is a compact and engaging intellectual challenge designed for puzzle enthusiasts of various ages, particularly recommended for children aged 6 and above, as well as adults seeking a stimulating desk toy. This puzzle consists of 54 individual wooden pieces that fit together into a neat 6.9 centimeter cube, providing a tactile and visual brain exercise that can be enjoyed repeatedly. The puzzle is crafted from high-quality wood with precision-cut pieces that are closely fitted and finished with a painted surface, making it both sturdy and visually appealing. The puzzle's design focuses on a T-shaped piece configuration, which adds to the complexity and uniqueness of the challenge. Users have praised the puzzle for its educational value and its ability to foster skills such as problem-solving, spatial imagination, and creative thinking. It serves as a relaxing yet mentally stimulating activity that can help relieve stress and improve focus. Many appreciate having it as a small desk ornament or a coffee table piece, ready to be picked up during moments of mental itch or boredom. Its compact size makes it easy to carry and store, although some caution that the puzzle pieces separate easily, so retaining the original box is advisable to avoid losing parts. The puzzle's difficulty level appears to be a matter of perspective. For beginners or younger children, it offers a satisfying challenge that can be completed in a reasonable amount of time, making it a fun and rewarding experience. Several users have noted that their children, including those around 8 to 12 years old, enjoyed assembling the puzzle quickly and found it engaging. It is an excellent gift choice for young learners who enjoy hands-on activities and mechanical puzzles. However, for more experienced puzzle solvers or adults looking for a serious challenge, the puzzle may fall short. Some reviewers report completing the puzzle in under 20 minutes, with one mentioning a solve time as short as 3 to 5 minutes due to the uniform size and shape of the pieces. The congruence of the pieces means the puzzle has only one correct solution, which some find limiting and less satisfying compared to more complex puzzles with multiple configurations. This aspect may reduce replay value for advanced users. Quality control has been a mixed experience among buyers. While many praise the sturdy wooden construction and the precision of the cuts, others have encountered pieces that are uneven or do not lay flat against each other, which can detract from the overall puzzle experience. The manufacturer's customer service has been described as responsive and helpful, addressing concerns and providing support when issues arise. This level of service adds value to the purchase and reassures buyers. The puzzle's aesthetic appeal is another strong point. Its natural wooden finish and compact cubic shape make it an attractive desk accessory or decorative item. It fits well in various settings, from home offices to living rooms, and can serve as a conversation starter or a casual pastime for visitors. The tactile nature of the wooden pieces also adds to the sensory enjoyment, distinguishing it from plastic or electronic puzzles. In summary, the original 3D wooden brain teaser puzzle is a well-made, visually pleasing and intellectually engaging product suited primarily for children and beginners in the puzzle world. It offers a moderate challenge that promotes cognitive skills and provides stress relief through focused play. Its compact size and quality craftsmanship make it a delightful gift or personal desk toy. However, for seasoned puzzle enthusiasts or those seeking a more demanding brain teaser, this puzzle might not meet expectations due to its relatively simple solution and uniform pieces. Pros include educational benefits, quality materials, and attractive design, while cons involve limited challenge for advanced users and occasional inconsistencies in piece quality. Overall, it is a worthwhile purchase for families, students, and casual puzzle lovers. If you have this puzzle, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed choice. The product link is in the description to support the channel.